Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, concatenating strings with the plus equal operator. We can also use plus equals operator to concatenate a string onto the end of existing string variable. This can be very helpful to break a long string over several lines. Note that we should watch out for spaces. Concatenation does not add a spaces between concatenated strings. So you will need to add them yourself. So in this case, where our string I come first is a string, and thereafter after a period we have given a space so that the space comes before the second string. And in this case, we are using plus equal operator to add to the existing string the second string. So the result will look like something like this. I come first, a space, I come second, period. So the task for this challenge, build my str, that is my string, over several lines by concatenating these two strings. This is the first sentence, and then period, and then a space in double quotes, and this is the second sentence. Using the plus equal operator, use the plus equal operator to how it is shown in the editor. Start by assigning the first string to my str, then add on the second string. So it will go something like this, where my str, this is okay, first this is the first sentence space, and then after enter, in case of my str plus equal to, and then the string, this is the second sentence, period, semicolon. So let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.